Hello friends, sometimes you feel sleepy at daytime because this is summer season going on, and you know that in summer season during night uh, mosquitoes bite you, and another problem is electricity shortage, and due to these problems you are not able to enjoy sound sleep. So you try to sleep at daytime, and before this I was making another video, and during making that video I felt a little sleepy because I am sitting and I am feeling hot. It's a hot day today, and you know that in hot days when you are in easy place, then you feel sleepy, and I think that it is necessary to enjoy sound sleep for your health. If you do not enjoy sound sleep, then your day is bore, exhausted. You feel yourself exhausted while doing your work. So I think that right now these days this is the bad custom that young people, youngsters spend a lot of time on social media at night time, and they sleep late night, and they get up during noon time or after noon, and they do their breakfast at the time of lunch. So this routine is bad for them and also bad for the health of the people. So I think that you should try to improve your habits. These are the habits, and you should work on your habits. You should try to improve your habits in better way. When you will do the things naturally, this is the principle of nature, that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and strong. So I think that you should do according to this principle. Make your life according to this principle. Then you will be succeeded. You will enjoy the sound health and you will get success. If you always feel bored, exhausted, then your interest of doing work will be demolished, will be less, and you will do less work with minimum interest, then less chances of your success. But when you will do your work with great interest, great chances of your success. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.